My name's John Casanova. I've been in this business since I was about 21 years old, so about 25 years. The name of my company is Casanova Remodeling Company. The GutterTopper design has a much better surface tension product versus the other ones because they were the original ones. So they have a lot of the original patents that the other guys don't have. So the product does work better. It's proven and tested over the last 30 years. And having customers that have had it for 10, 15, 20 years, we see that we just don't get callbacks on it. So the product works, it's great, and we're real happy with it, and so are our customers. We've done 25,000 GutterTopper jobs over the last 20-something years. So we have tons of success stories. I mean, the main thing is, we've met people that have fallen off the ladder, broke their pelvis and broke their legs and their arms. And, the main thing that we try to do is keep everyone off the ladders. And that's what we've been doing in Connecticut for, 20 years. I mean, overall experience is excellent. We've been with them a long time. They've always been very supportive of us, giving us merchandise that we need to do the home shows, the fairs, and everything that we need to be able to be successful. We tried other products and nothing performs like GutterTopper.